Alright, so today we're going to learn about how to calculate our body mass index, or BMI. So how to calculate it in pounds is you take your weight in pounds divided by your height in inches multiplied by your height in inches, and then you multiply that number by 703. So subject 1, that's actually me. So Mr. Ayers, my weight is currently 163 pounds. My height is 5'10", but we need that 5'10", but we need that in inches, so that's actually 70 inches. So to calculate the BMI, it says what we're going to do is we're going to take our weight in pounds. So 163 pounds. We're going to divide this by our height, which is 70 inches, multiplied by our height, which is 70 inches. And then we're going to take all that, and multiply it by 703. So let's go ahead and get the calculator out. So let's go ahead and calculate the first part in our parentheses, which is 70 times 70. So we get 14900. So we now know that 163 will need to be divided by 4900. And then that number will be multiplied by 703. So, sorry about that, guys. 163 divided by 900 is 0.333, so we're going to multiply that by 703, which gives us a BMI of 23.39. BMI. So what does BMI mean exactly? So that kind of is a determining factor. It's not something that you would want to solely base on, but the BMI below 18.5 is considered underweight. 18.5 to 24.9, which is where I lie, is considered normal. And anything above 24.9 is considered overweight until you get to 30, which is considered obese. So I'm considered a normal weight, I can consider having a normal body mass index. And that is how you calculate BMI when you're in inches and pounds, which is what we would use in the United States. Thank you very much.